Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The death of Nehru led to a crisis of succession in Congress, which was cleared by making Lal Bahadur Shastri as PM. Later, with his death, it was Indira Gandhi who became the PM. The syndicate in the Congress thought of making Indira Gandhi their puppet PM. But the 1967 elections were an eye-opener for the Congress and gave hope for the opposition. Non-Congressism led to the Congress party see a reduction in majority in the Lok Sabha. Coalitions and defections were the order of the day. Indira Gandhi countered the moves of the syndicate by having her own trusted advisors and by the 10-point program. Mistrust between the Congress faction supporting Indira and syndicate came out in the open during the presidential election of 1969, which ultimately led to the split of Congress into Congress O and Congress R. By winning the 1971 elections, Indira Gandhi showed that she was the real power center of the Congress and reinvented the party.